All right, it's the end. Thanks for sticking around and for so many of you for showing up. We were just discussing on the back channel the attendance for this workshop and the numbers for yesterday, at least at the peak. We had 80 people in person and 51 remotely. So we're talking about 130 people attending this event. So thank you very much, all of you, for attending in person and remotely. Very much appreciated. We'll have the final numbers a little bit later, but this is definitely one of the better events, and considering all the logistical hiccups with our sister event, NanoORC, I think we did pretty well nonetheless. Yeah, it's not like we haven't thanked these guys before, but we're going to do it again. Again, thanks to VeriSign for being patron, IBM and Verkara for being Deluxe Plus sponsors, and Akamai for letting us eat last night. That was actually a really nice event. I don't know about you, we didn't really talk about the social. What happens at OARC stays at OARC. But I really liked, the food was good, the terrace was fun to hang out on, and we had great company and some good talks. So thank you for all showing up. Special thanks to people in particular, Rebecca Petra, who couldn't make it, or yeah, I don't know, she's kind of like our administrative octopus. She seems to catch every ball, and she keeps us sane. And I don't want to call her OARC mom, because then she gets, oh, I just did. Then she gets pissed off at us, but she really ran this from the shadows and kept things working. And I was just talking with Dinesh about how she was able to just make this a workshop even more stress-free than it could have been. So really thanks to her, and she nudged people and helped out with all kinds of things in the back and the run of the show, which is quite a complicated business. Kathy Allman, ISC, was doing fantastic work running all the social media updates. I don't know if you've been following Twitix? I don't know what you call it anymore. Anyway, following social media and Mastodon, there was a lot of updates happening all the time. It was on, really timely, and just thank you so much, Kathy, for that. I also want to thank Clarity over in the corner. They've been with us for a number of events. They've been doing great work. It's just been smooth. We had really good collaboration with them. We figure out, things on the fly, and they're just a great team to work with. So thanks, Clarity. And finally, the hotel, the Embassy Suites, great staff, super easy people to work with, warm welcome. I don't know if you've noticed, but the breakfast is just a pleasure. There's some really fun staff. They're nice to talk to. We get musical accompaniment to your omelet. I just thought that was really cool. And yeah, no, just really accommodating to our crazy requirements, last minute changes and all the like. We got a survey, as usual. Just say it's great. I mean, we could have put one button in there, but we give you a choice. So just tell them how much you like the event. If you haven't already done so, Mattermost, I harassed a few of you personally to get on the Mattermost, and I hope you've gotten on there. For those who aren't already there, it's where it's all happening, all the fun. And it's what actually makes our hybrid workshop such a success, is we have a really good level of interaction. Yes, Mastodon as well, Fediverse, get on there, support the elephant. Thanks to Marvin. He's going back to Indianapolis. And future events, I guess, yeah, still no news. We're going to be co-located with ICANN IDS, sometime, I guess, in last quarter of 2024. Really can't say anything about the geographic location because they'd probably kill me. And please consider supporting OARC, being a workshop sponsor or patron for the upcoming event. And that's pretty much it. And finally, one more word of thanks. All of you, the members, the wider community who have attended. Program committee, again, stellar work, really good, keeping the level high. And of course the board, yeah, the exec, I'm not gonna thank myself. Anyway, all our speakers for showing up, volunteering, spending time, reviewing your slides, accepting criticisms, making the funds bigger sometimes. And all the various meeting and operations team. I'd like my team, OARC, Steve, Matt, Dinesh, Mike, you guys can stand up for just a second. Yeah. Right. Thank you so much. I mean, yeah, I'm walking into this from the outside. Keith had this running. I walk in, I realize, wow, these guys are making it look easy. I could focus on just, having drinks and chatting and having stupid ideas and having people shoot them down. I thought it was really productive. So thank you very much. I'm looking forward to see you at the next event, and it's weekend. Thank you.